what's up, guys? It is Greg Luther here, and listen, so many people interested in getting listings right now because, of course, there's no inventory in your local marketplace. Really, about anywhere that you're at in the country right now, inventory is very low. There's just not many houses available, and the worst thing you can do is get buyers right now because you're going to be writing multiple offers, multiple houses, and even when you're going over asking price, you're having a hard time getting those properties sold. So what I wanted to do is a quick video here to talk a little bit about what we've got coming up here, the 4 free sources for generating listings for yourself. Many of you heard yesterday, this is creating a firestorm, by the way. We've had over 300 agents sign up today alone for this new thing I'm doing where people can watch and follow along as I teach my son, who just turned 18 years old and just passed his test, teach him how to sell real estate using free sources, spending $0. I shouldn't say $0. I think he'll spend $500 overall. But we're building a huge business for him, and agents are following along. Going through my agenda here, there's 4 free sources that he's going to be using where I'll show him how to do it. We're documenting it on video. He'll go on the appointments himself. I'll put him on Zoom and we'll talk about what did the seller say? What did you do? How did you negotiate that? So that everybody can follow along and see. I shouldn't say everybody, it's limited to 500 agents, but how you can see exactly how he's utilizing these sources to generate some closings for himself. He's 18 years old, looks like he's 16. I should have grabbed my phone to show you. If you go to letsgetsomeclosings.com, it's probably in the link. I think the link is this way. Did I do it right? It's backwards. It's somewhere here. If you go to letsgetsomeclosings.com, you'll see an interview, or not even an interview, just my son and I sitting there talking about this 10 days that we're doing together where I'm going to build his business. He's never been on an appointment. He's never talked to a client. I've been coaching realtors for 21 years. He usually puts his headphones in and says, "Oh shit, Dad's talking again. Let me go somewhere else." So now he's like, "I got my license. I should have been listening all this time." But anyway, a lot of people are going to be following along with this, and I'm going to be showing from ground zero. Like many of you know, I got in a lot of trouble with the IRS. When I was making tons of money as a realtor, I wasn't paying taxes the way I was supposed to. I got in trouble for that. I'm going to show him how to set his business up the right way, which accounts to use, how to pay himself, what he needs to do from a marketing perspective, where you generate leads if you don't have a lot of money to be buying leads and buying services and CRMs and all that crap. What should you be doing on Facebook to generate business in your area? What free sources can you use? How do you use Marketplace? So we're covering all of this over those 10 days because there's so many people that are interested in just having a real core, a good base so that every single month, this is at least an extra 3 or 4 closings. So I think it's going to be very exciting for everybody. I've had so many emails where people are excited to see me build this for Zach. Keep in mind, I've been coaching realtors literally longer than he's been alive. I was licensed in '99 originally, and of course I've been coaching for a long time as well. I've been 21 years in the business, 18 years coaching. So this stuff that we're covering for him to generate appointments, it's truly my passion project, right? So I think that it's my chance to be a role model. I've got my role model shirt on today. Look at this. I'm a role model. How about that? Rolls of cash. So I'm putting everything into this, and I'm so excited to see agents that are wanting to copy this approach and just follow along and see, like somebody that's still wet behind the ears, doesn't know anything about the real estate business, like his questions are, what are comps? His question the other day was, what is an FSBO? So to start from the basics, but go on appointments and take tons of business and all of that, how is that possible when there's people out there who have been doing this 20 years, 30 years and can't get consistency in their business? It all comes down to marketing. So we are going to be showing 4 totally free approaches that he's going to be using there. I'm going to document everything. We're going to be doing some Zoom videos that will be recorded. I'm releasing 1 video every day for 10 days. But anyway, find some details on that at letsgetsomeclosings.com. I think, let me try it out. Let me see if this works. It's right. Tell me if I touch it. Right there. I probably am going the wrong way with it. But anyway, I'll watch the replay and see if I was right, because once it's formatted on the page, it looks different. But anyway, this is going to be a lot of fun. I don't care how long you've been selling real estate, for you to see somebody starting from ground zero, pandemic, election year, all the crap that's going on right now. So what? Let's just go get rich. He's going to make over $150,000 his first year in the business. If you can copy that approach, if you bolt on an extra 150 to whatever you're doing right now, I think it's going to be well worth it. I don't know if you'll earn a dollar. I don't know if you'll ever earn anything. But I think you'll find it incredibly helpful. You might do 5 times that much if you implement the right way. But everybody's going to be different, of course. So anyway, that's coming up here. We're starting very soon, but I'm filling the event first. We're getting 500 agents in there, and really excited to make it happen. If you saw the video, I've done it where it's like freaking pennies to get going. Absolutely anybody can afford. You can literally roll change in your house to get involved with this thing. So if you need to go roll some change, it's the lowest cost I've ever had on anything in 21 years. But we're doing it because I'm helping my son to build a big business. So listen, you think I'm going to give him the best I got? You think you're going to get to see the real, like I just took some of the templates that all of our agents have been using for years. I changed up the templates, saying, no, I can make it better. We're going to get even better results with this. Everybody's going to get those templates as well. So anyway, check it out. Let's get some closings.com. If something happens on the order, we have so many people joining up here today. If something happens on the order page there, just hit refresh. All you got to do is hit refresh and it'll start over for you. It's because there's a, I don't know what they call it, weight load limit, whatever. That's probably what my car seat has when I sit down in my car, but there's just too many people going there right now. But anyway, check it out. I think you'll find it very helpful, and it's going to be fun. I'm having fun. I don't care about the money. We do far better than that with everything else. I'm going to have fun seeing him succeed here. I've put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this, so it's going to be exciting to see the results. I'm sure you'll like to see it as well. So check it out. Go make some money. Let me know how I can help you. Send me a direct message if you have any questions here. I am here to help. I am all hands on deck over the next few days, getting all this together, and we have quite the agenda. So hopefully you're making some money out there. Go sell some houses. Get off the internet. Go do something. Time to make some money. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do, but you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below, because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.